home today as Sometimers. We got to take care of business as well, so we're heading off to Kitimat, British Columbia, which is a beautiful place to go to get some work done.
Yeah, and it's really, you know, we're doing work that we have to do, but it's all part of an adventure too, so that's kind of the way we treat it.
How's the leg room?
Ample. So if LNG Canada moves forward, it will be the biggest privately funded infrastructure project in Canada to date. The price tag, including the port, the LNG facility here, the pipeline, the gathering system, is pegged at about $40 billion. In my opinion, this will provide much needed jobs. It'll have an ongoing economy for BC. It'll have environmental benefits for other parts of the world.
So we're going to take you along on this adventure business trip and show you a little more around British Columbia. Flying, not taking the beef.
So we're not getting a full grasp of BC, but we'll get a few spots along the way. All right, let's go.
So our itinerary for this trip is a bit stretched out because that's how it is when you're traveling to rural BC. We went from home to Kamloops driving.
That's about an hour and 20 minutes or so to the airport.
From Kamloops Airport to Vancouver.
About 45 minutes flight.
So do you think you've got everything organized?
Well, I went back and got my backrest after I got through security. And then thought, well, heck, while I'm out there, I might as well pay for parking too.
Oh my God. Then we'll wait in Vancouver for...
we're there hour and a half.
Then Vancouver to Terrace flying.
That's about another hour and 40 minutes or so, I believe.
Final boarding.
Seriously? Well, we didn't waste any time then, did we?
No.
Flight 8242 to Terrace. Weather today in Terrace, light winds, high overcast skies at 16 degrees. Should take us approximately an hour and 18 minutes to get up there at 24,000.
And then we rent a car in Terrace and we drive to Kitimat.
It's about 40 minutes or so to Kitimat from the airport.
We are in Kitimat.
Yeah, we're in Terrace.
Oh, right. We're in Terrace, where we need to get a car to go to Kitimat.
Looks like they've readied this car for us.
Jump in here and show me what's wrong with this.
Just get in there. It's basically a jump and go. Holy crap. Plenty of leg room.
Okay, try reaching that steering wheel. No? No, let's see.
I can reach.
How's
everything.
the leg room?
Ample. This is, you know what's amazing though?
What?
Like, cars of these days, all I have is a backrest that I take with me everywhere.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me see now.
Hang on.
Oh.
I'm not done yet.
Oh,
Okay.
let's see.
Where's this bad boy keys? Are they in the door?
There you go. You got it, hey?
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's not bad.
Okay, well, in their defense, they didn't know who they were setting it up for.
Well, clearly, it's not our first time here, you know? So just take note of the roominess when you get in this little puppy.
This looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh my! How's that? I feel very relaxed.
How can you be that far from the dash?
Oh.
Big, tall, small,
Can you
I don't
see
know.
that? I'm laying down in here. Who rides like this?
Gonna have like 3 feet before you hit the airbag when it deploys.
I guess it's safer. It's beautiful out.
Yeah, it is. Super
really
nice.
super nice out, sunny. So hopefully we catch some really good scenery as we go by into Kitimat because it's just beautiful BC.
So we got our car, our little very spacious Malibu.
Oh yeah. We're in, and we do have everything adjusted.
And we're headed out.
Off to Kitimat.
What are you reading?
That the international trade capacity here from 1990 to 2008 was over $20 billion.
Wow.
In manufactured exports.
So that would be the smelter, probably?
I don't know, with annual exports valued in excess of $1 billion. Between 90 and 2001, up to 11% of BC's manufacturing gross domestic product and 5% of our provincial exports were produced here each year.
Wow.
It's hard to see from here how big that port is.
Yeah, it is.
And I don't just mean from this spot, I mean from Kitimat, on the ground, anywhere to see.
Yeah.
It would be interesting to see that the ships come in. Does size matter on this one?
Well, if you have the right size shelf, if we had a lower shelf, it would matter, but it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't.
Just find something that'll work.
You know, you can find the tools if you're crafty.
Okay. We're here at the end of Douglas Channel near Kitimat. There's 3 ports here that are about to go through some upgrades possibly. Rio Tinto BC Operations wants to expand this Port A for import and export of their goods, which would allow Port B, which is the far one with the buildings infrastructure on it, to be used for other services, and that would be primarily LNG when LNG Canada comes into play. So that would allow the export of liquefied natural gas to the rest of the world, which should provide clean energy throughout Asia, other parts of the world, which would have huge impacts, environmental impacts for globally. So we're hoping that that project will go forward, and it'll also provide secure jobs, long-term jobs, not only in Kitimat but throughout northern BC, where the gas comes from. So huge benefits for BC as well as the world. This is the M. It's about 1.5 years old, attached to the only mall in town. This is the desk area.
This is where you do.
This is where all the business takes place. So I'll be doing business here later tonight. Impressed, better than what was here when we first bought here. They did have a good bed and breakfast, but there really wasn't anything for hotels here 5 years ago.
Now how many?
Oh, there's like 3 at least, right? And a few more ready to go for when, if things move ahead.
You drive me mad.
Why?
Because you never know.
I lost
where
my
your
keys
are.
and the elevator screwed up.
At
We've been looking for them forever, and this is probably why the elevator is screwed up.
So.
But I found the keys and I fixed the elevator.
Oh, you're.
I am a hero.
No, you're not.
I'm a hero.
Keep track of your keys.
I'm a hero. Let's go.
Let's go tell the guy.
The elevator's fixed, I think.
Oh, it's gonna be soon. That's why she's here.
Oh, that's
we hope so.
No, it's fixed because these were the problem.
Oh.
What do you mean?
They were in the doorway and it kept making it
Are you
open. I am
serious?
serious. I guarantee it.
2 birds, 1 stone, right?
that's how we get around the province of BC and go to these isolated rural towns.
Yeah. And if we were going to be there longer, we'd probably take the motorhome. But for a quick trip like this, it doesn't make sense to drive there.
It was a long trip. We did the reverse itinerary.
Got what we set out to do done.
Yeah. So business is taken care of up there for now. It's beautiful here.
It is, yeah. It's supposed to be, what, 26, 27 today?
Yeah.